Hi, I'm Molly Fox and I'm doing my science lesson. This is Colton. He's going to be helping me today. Okay, so boys and girls, so let's go over some key vocabulary terms for this lesson. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. So let's go over reduce first. So I'm going to provide an example of ways that you can reduce trash that goes into our earth. So for example, when you go to the grocery store with mom or dad, you can use bags that you check out your food with. You can reuse those bags. Those plastic bags, maybe you've seen your mom and dad have them. Instead of using plastic bags when you go to the grocery store that they give you. So that's a way to reduce the amount of trash that goes into the earth. Now let's go over recycle. So think about at home when you have a water bottle, a glass bottle, or something like that, you recycle it. And when you recycle something, you are reducing the amount of trash that sits in our rivers and sea and into the atmosphere. So when you recycle something, it's not going into the trash. Okay, our next word.
And what's that?
Yep, we're going to go over that. So reuse. There are many ways to reuse things. For example, I'm going to use a water bottle. You can reuse a water bottle multiple times.
Mommy. How
Yep.
I make it?
Yeah, that's good. So you can reuse a water bottle multiple times. You can refill it with water and that saves the amount of trash. Also, another example maybe is for clothing, for sewing. You can reuse so many different things. I saw you can reuse so many different things just in your households.
Let's go to the biggest one.
Okay, so we're going to do a little activity, and also trash is one, but we all know what trash is. I'm going to state an item, and you boys and girls are going to tell me if we can recycle it, we can reuse it somehow, or if we can throw it in the trash.
And go to this.
So what do we think, Joe? A banana. What do we think a banana is?
Trash.
You are right. So I'm going to write trash next to this one. And do you know why it's trash, boys and girls? Because it is going to decompose, which means it's going to get smaller, and it's going to get brown. Like, you know, an old banana peel gets brown, it decomposes. Whereas something that you recycle does not decompose. So something that goes into the trash, like a banana peel, is going to decompose. And we're never going to be able to use that again. Okay. Joe, what's our next one? Glass bottle. What do you think, Joe?
Recycle.
Absolutely. And guess what? There's two answers. So either one. You can recycle it or you can reuse it. There are many different purposes for a glass bottle. So I'm going to put recycle or reuse.
So I'm going to put the cycle too.
Okay. Okay, Joe. Magazine. What do we think?
Trash.
Yeah.
You're actually not correct. Because magazines, what's a magazine made of, Joe?
Paper.
Yeah. So can we recycle paper?
Yes.
Yeah. So it's recycle. We can use that again. Absolutely. And our last one, an apple core. What do you think, Joe?
Trash.
Yes. Because an apple core is going to decompose. We cannot use an apple core for anything else. We just throw it into the trash.
And go to the roof.
Right. All right, so let's take out our worksheets and do our worksheet now. Thank you.